Calling all thrill-seeking cruisers. If you want to sail on a luxury small ship cruise line for an Antarctic adventure, then check out Atlas Ocean Voyages. We'll take a 5-minute tour of the ship to let you see it before you sail and determine if it's the right choice for you. If you like the video or find it helpful, consider hitting the like button or subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So let's get started. Let's compare a more typical cruise ship, the Holland America Oosterdam, with the Atlas World Traveler. The Oosterdam's gross tonnage is about 83,000 tons versus the Atlas World Traveler at 10,000. So Atlas is about 1/8 the size of the Oosterdam. It's a small luxury ship. And in terms of guest capacity, Atlas can have up to 198 guests versus the Oosterdam's approximate 2,400. So let's take a deck-by-deck tour starting from the bottom and going to the top. Deck 3 is mainly used to prepare for landings and zodiac expeditions, but it also has 12 adventure staterooms, those with no balcony. Atlas provides you with a winter parka and vest that's yours to keep. They also provide rubber boots, a life vest, and walking sticks that you'll have to return at the end of the cruise. Your gear locker is assigned based on your room number. So when you return from an outing, you get to clean your boots in the handy-dandy cleaning machine. Deck 4 focuses on the cruise experience with lots of amenities. It's where you'll spend most of your time when not on shore. The Atlas Lounge is a great gathering place to meet up with friends and have a drink. It's also used for ship events, check-in, the captain's welcome, and it's also the meeting location for landings and zodiac tours. Deck 4's bow is where you'll find the Vasco da Gama Auditorium. Daily presentations are given here. They can be on Antarctic wildlife or a photography educational, but the most important daily presentation is the preview of the next day's expeditions. In the back of Deck 4 is the Lisboa dining room. Here you'll enjoy your meals. Breakfast is normally a buffet. Lunch can be a buffet or choosing from menu options. Dinner is wait service and has a changing daily menu that also has standard dinner options available. It's open seating and spots were always available, so there's no waiting in line. Many activities are located on Deck 4's midship. Paula's Pantry is great for a midday snack, a quick breakfast, or a cup of hot chocolate. The excursion desk posts assignments for camping, kayaking, zodiac groups, and other information. The fitness center has life cycles, free weights, treadmills, and workout mats that are available on a first-come, first-served basis. The Sea Spa will welcome you to book a massage or enjoy relaxing in a heated lounger. The boutique has a variety of sundries, snacks, souvenirs, and Atlas branded clothing. If you want to mail a postcard, you can by dropping it off at the reception desk. Deck 5 is mostly used for guest staterooms, the Water's Edge Observation Deck, and the Zephyr Lounge. The observation deck was wonderful for scenic cruising as we sailed to each destination because it has heated seats to help keep you warm. Many guests took advantage of the magnificent sights that could be seen from this deck. The Zephyr Lounge is at the back of the ship and is also an outdoor dining area. However, for our cruise, it wasn't really used all that much. Deck 6 is also primarily passenger staterooms. It also has a very important function here, the ship's bridge and navigation helm. On 2 sea days, the bridge is open for guests, and here you can ask the team questions and snap some photos. It's really interesting to learn about the inner workings of the ship. A sun deck is also available at the back of the deck. Deck 7's main attraction is the Dome Lounge, another place to meet up with your fellow passengers, have a drink from the bar, and surround yourself with the fantastic scenery of the Antarctic that you'll find with its 270-degree viewing area. A high tea service occurs daily at 4 p.m. Evening entertainment includes a piano player or cruise director vocals. We spent most of our time here just soaking in the scenery and taking lots of photos. You'll also find the heated pool and hot tub on Deck 7. The bar and grill was not available during the Antarctic cruise. The Zodiac boats are stored here as well. The Zodiacs are lowered each day for expeditions and raised when the ship is not sailing. Each Zodiac boat holds 10 guests and 1 expedition leader. Deck 8 has an outdoor running track and exercise equipment for your use, but with the cold weather, they really weren't used all that much. Kayaks are also stored here for the daily tours. On our cruise, about 1/2 of the guests, or 77 folks, took a kayak tour, so they were definitely put to good use. The Atlas Advantage. The ship has a maximum capacity of 200 guests, so that takes advantage of the 100 maximum purse requirement that can be on Antarctica at any one time. It's an intimate cruise experience, easier to meet other guests, continental or peninsular landings, and those are usually not available on many of the larger ships, and there's a polar plunge. You can enjoy daily lectures from experts instead of going to the casino. Atlas also provides excellent accommodations and is all-inclusive where wine, beer, and other drinks are included in the cruise fee. We loved our Atlas cruise and would sail with them again. Thanks for watching.